Hey, amazing artists! Today, let's draw a school stationery set together, the tools that make our art and learning so much fun. Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Before we splash some color, let's start with a quick pencil sketch. Join me as we sketch out a notebook, a pencil, scissors, and a scale, all the essentials for every little artist's adventure. Great job with the sketch! Now, let's grab our black marker and give life to these sketches. First, draw a big and beautiful notebook. Make it your own. Add a heart shape on the notebook cover. Feel the love and creativity flowing. Now, let's draw a pencil. Moving on, draw a pair of scissors. Open them wide, they're ready for action. Last but not least, let's draw a scale. Imagine measuring all the incredible things you create. Make it as long as your imagination. And there we have our school stationery set. Now, let's bring these drawings to life with some colors. Let's color the notebook first. Yellow color. Orange color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Now, the pencil. Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Sky blue color. Moving on to the scissors. Purple color. Green color. Yellow color. And for the scale, yellow color. Green color. Measuring the fun in every stroke. Ready for another creative journey? Let's draw a pen holder with more fun stationery inside. Sketch out a lovely pen holder. Draw a pencil, a pen, another pencil, and a scale inside the holder. Now, let's add a beautiful flower on its body. Arrange them neatly. Make those outlines bold and sharp. Our pen holder is taking shape. Now, let's add some colors. Red color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Yellow color. Green color. Red color. Blue color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Yellow color. Black color. Lime green color. And there you have it, a colorful pen holder. And that's a wrap. I hope you had a blast creating your school stationery set and pen holder with me. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and until next time, stay creative. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.